Hi guys, this is Prema from DSS. Today we are going to talk about James Clear's Atomic Habits, how the science of how habit works. It is very simple, but these are the 4 steps for you to form any habit and to be successful in your habit, and it is sustainably long standing, and it is all lifelong when you form according to this. All habits proceed through 4 stages in the same order: cue, craving, response, and reward. The cue is the emotional feeling and the thoughts about what you want, and the craving is about the desire, the motivational force, and your response is what is actually how you are to go about, and this is the action phase, what you are going to do and what you are capable of doing. And the reward is what you finally get after doing all these 3 steps. Your reward is the final step. What you get with this reward, the reward gives you the satisfaction and you learn. These are the 2 things that you learn in the process. And so these 4 steps, when followed properly, this becomes a habit. And anything, one thing also, if you eliminate, it doesn't become a habit. The behavior changes. So the cue you should have. See, for example, you have different sports items, and it might be cricket, volleyball, basketball, tennis, anything. You might be inclining towards one item. That might be a basketball. Okay, for example. And when you see the basketball, you get the cue that I have to play this is my sport, and I have to play this for what? For the reward. For that, what you do? You should have a desire. This desire is what is craving. Craving is the motivational force that I have to play and I have to get the reward. For this desire to make it into a reward, there is in between response. This is the 3rd step. This is the action taking step, where you know that what you are capable of and what your capability, you build this, and then finally you get the reward. To win the basketball or to dunk the ball into the basket, you need to jumping high, that you practice. That is the response, that is the action taking place. When you dunk it, you hit the goal, then you get a point, and then that point, and that is your goal, that is your reward. And in this reward you satisfy because of the cue, a craving, response, and reward. Finally you satisfy and you know the game. It happens with everything, be it money making, be it your promotions, be it your family life. Everywhere you have to follow a 4 step, which becomes a habit. And this can be over a period of time, it becomes an automatic one. You just stumble upon something, you keep doing, and you find out a easier way of doing it, and when you suffice all these 4 steps, it becomes a habit, and it is so automatic, effortless, and every time you do it, it will be proper if you follow these steps. If even one thing is eliminated, that is not a habit. It's all about how science of habit works. This is called the habit loop of cue, craving, response, and reward. Okay. And these 4 steps can also be broken into 2. The first 2, cue and craving, can be your problem phase, and response and reward can be your solution phase. For the problem, you are finding out the problem, and you're having the desire to solve that problem. So you're taking a stimulus, you're taking an action, how to solve that is the response, and the reward is solving the problem. So this can be 2 phases, like problem phase and the solution phase also. Hope you all enjoyed this talk, and I will meet you again with another topic from the same Atomic Habits. This is Prema from DSS. See you all once again with another topic. Until then, bye. Take care.